I don't think I know an orthopedic surgeon who doesn't have some sort of injury from their job. It's high risk for acute injuries, overuse injuries, degeneration of joints, back pain, neck pain, which then lead to job dissatisfaction. KINCISE really allowed me to get back in the operating room and not have to swing a mallet, which made a huge difference for getting back to my practice and getting back to my lifestyle. I think KINCISE 2 has got a lot of positives to it. It's much more ergonomic than it used to be. It is much easier to handle and to use. It's a little lighter and much better balanced. The reproducibility and consistency of impaction of a stem or a cup or even a revision knee replacement broach are second to none. But in the case of the KINCISE 2, it's an obvious choice. And all you have to do is get it in your hands for a few cases and you'll probably never stop using it.